Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Copy.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Copy.ai and then press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Copy.ai. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, you can either sign up with your Google account or you can sign up using your email address. So just go ahead and select either of those options to sign up. Now for an easier way, you can click on sign up with Google and use your Google account. Now just click on sign up with email and you will be taken into the sign up page where you can create your new account. This will immediately log you in and take you to the dashboard. So in order to finish setting up your account, just click on your account at the bottom right corner and then click on the settings menu. From there, you can enter your account details such as your first and your last name, and you can also change your email address from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Copy.ai. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.